Happy Mardi Gras. I'm a YouTuber. I went for a run the other day. Like 2 days in a row.
You went for a run?
A little bit of a run. I did like a jog, and then I walked, and then jogged, and then I walked, and my back felt like it was gonna break because I haven't exercised in like 6 months. Just did a few sit-ups.
Oh,
I know.
I'm proud of
Turning
you.
a new leaf.
Okay, what are we doing today?
So today we're gonna be making a king cake that doesn't actually require any dough making or anything. It's gonna taste delicious, and we're just gonna use some cinnamon rolls out of the can. So if you don't like these, then you just can bake it from scratch, but have fun doing that because I'm not doing that. We're gonna use our Mardi Gras sprinkle blend, which is called king cake. And if you didn't know this, I'm actually from Louisiana. I was born and raised there, so I know a bit about Mardi Gras. Celebrated lots of Mardi Gras, been to Bourbon Street a dozen times. So all you need for this is some cinnamon rolls out of the can, some cinnamon, some brown sugar, and like a little bit of butter. So I'm not sure of the origin of a king cake. I probably should have looked this up. I assume it was made for like the king of France. It has something to do with fertility, like obviously, because there's like usually a plastic baby in there in the cake. So when you cut the cake, like whoever gets the baby, like it means you're gonna have a baby, because I guess like having a baby is
what?
Everyone wants to have a baby. It originated in Old World France. It's oval shaped to symbolize the unity of faiths. The small baby symbolizing baby Jesus. I was way off. Anyway, we won't be using any baby Jesuses in this, but it'll be just as delicious. Less Jesus, more cake. That's my motto. Oh, and you need a butt pan. So I'm just gonna get a little bowl to melt my 6 tablespoons of butter. I'm using unsalted butter. And then I'm going to open my microwave drawer. It's like the Tesla of microwaves.
Oh,
check this out.
Wow.
Look.
Whoa.
Open. I know, right? Secret microwave drawer. I'm gonna do this for about 30 seconds.
Ooh.
Okay, so my butter is melted, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pour it in this bundt pan. So much butter, so delicious. And then you can either take like a silicone brush and like paint it around, or you can just swirl it just to coat all of the sides so that nothing sticks. Get it as high up as you can. It's like butter roulette. Will it spill on the counter? We don't know. So now I've got my brown sugar. I'm gonna do a 1/4 cup, and this is what packing looks like. So you scoop it and you press it down. That's packing. You always wanna pack brown sugar.
Why?
You just do. That's what they say. So now I'm going to sprinkle this in. Ooh. This is gonna make a nice, like sticky toffee type of crust on the top. Oh, God, this smells good. And then I'm just gonna take, it calls for 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, but I can eyeball it.
She's that good.
I'm that good, darling. Swirl this sucker. I'm big into the swirl, as you can see. Swirling it all over the sides. We want it to be nice and coated. Oh. So that way, nobody can hear you. That way all the cinnamon rolls get coated. So I'm actually gonna take a little spatula and kind of brush it up the sides of this middle part. This is fine. This is fine. Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna place our cinnamon rolls into here. We're gonna do them like. Then we're just gonna pop them.
Whoa.
Oh, you got the small ones. We should have gotten the Ariana Grande ones, but that's all right. We'll make it work. Okay, so we're gonna take each one of these and just gonna put them in. You can stack them up like flat, but I'm gonna do like a smaller ring just because it's just me and Chandler eating it, and I don't want us to eat 4 cans of cinnamon rolls. So I'm really just going to go in a circle, and we're gonna pop open another one. Okay, push here.
Okay.
I'll film you.
I push where? Here?
Where the line is. No, you didn't.
I did it. I did it. Oh my God, I did it.
So just, you wanna put these in and you want them to touch. Let's not be shy about squishing them together.
Wow.
So this is where it gets tricky, because you kind of have to like flatten them, but make sure that I feel like that's enough. I don't want to overstuff it. Oh, darling, do you see this?
Oh, wow.
Oh, honey, it's just, whew.
So what do you preheat the oven to?
350.
And how long do you bake it for?
35 minutes.
She's down.
Try it. So now we're gonna pop her in the oven. Oh, I'm slaving away all day on this dough. Honey, would you look at that?
I know.
So I got my king cake sprinkles, my prism powder, the frosting, and I'm letting my king cake cool for like 10 minutes on the counter before I frost it. She's cooled, and I'm just gonna take my little spatula, or you can use a knife, and just kind of stick it down the sides to kind of unstick it a little bit. But we use so much butter that if this sticks, then I would quit baking forever. Okay, let's flip her over.
Did it work?
And then you just kind of put it back together. You could stick it together with more frosting if it starts to fall apart. But, oh my gosh, look at this like butter brown sugar. It's in the bowl. This is caramelized brown sugar and butter.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like monkey bread.
Mm-hmm. Get out of here.
Wow. Stop.
Tell my kids use paper towels. So I'm just gonna start drizzling my frosting over the top. Just let gravity do its thing, you know? And if it starts to fall apart, like, just kind of put some frosting in beside, like glue. So you wanna work kind of fast so you don't want your icing to dry. I'm gonna take my green prism powder, and I'm just gonna kind of dust her on there like a third of the way through. And then I'm gonna take my gold and do the same thing on this side. Just little taps. I find this is the easiest way to really get prism powder on there. Last but not least, the purple. It looks so pretty. You could just leave it like this. I mean, seriously, she's gorgeous. And now I'm gonna take my king cake sprinkle blend, and I'm just gonna start by placing some of the bigger pieces on top, which is what I like to do. That way I know that they'll make it on there. That's good. And then I'm gonna start placing some of the bigger pieces, like the sixlets. I love pouring out my sprinkle blends and putting them on this way, because I feel like you have more control rather than just dumping a lot of sprinkles on top. And then I grab some of the smaller ones and I just start to go around sprinkling. God, this is cute. Chandler, this is so cute.
This is so cute and she's so pretty.
And this is just so traditional looking, but also like I didn't have to actually bake anything. And that's the best part. I just put cinnamon rolls in the oven. And now I'm going to clean up the plate like a proper chef. And we're just gonna admire her. Ah, she's beautiful. Gorgeous. So you can kind of just like pull apart a piece or two. Look at that gooey cinnamon roll. Darling. Would you look at her? Oh, something about canned cinnamon rolls. I don't know what it is. It's so good.
All right, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fancy content. I'm a YouTube star now, so let's let those numbers reflect that. Also, you can go to fancysprinkles.com to get this blend, king cake, as well as all these prism powders I used. You want one?
Yeah.